The general equation of a quadratic equation. The general equation of quadratic. The general equation of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, having two roots. Having two roots. Okay. Now, to find the two roots, the first method is factorization. Factorization. The first method is factorization. The first method is factorization. To solve or to find the roots of the quadratic equation, we have the first method, basic method. Many times we use in further studies also, factorization. In factorization, we have one rule. We get one rule. Zero product rule. Zero product rule. Zero product rule. We get one rule, that is zero product rule. What is the meaning of zero product rule? If you have A into B is equal to 0, then we can write A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. If you have like this A into B equal to 0, then we can write A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Next, here I will give you one example for this first method. Again, I am doing this one. Jibin,
Yes, sir.
you have to copy this in order. Remember this, okay?
Yes, sir.
And the equation is, I am taking 9x square plus 7x minus 2. 9x square plus 7x minus 2 equal to 0 is the equation. And the question is, find the roots by factorization. Find the roots by factorization. Okay. Comparing this equation, equation 1, compare with, comparing with the general equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now you have to tell me the values of a. What is the value of a?
9,
A is what? 9. What is the value of b?
7,
7. C is what?
2, sir.
Minus 2. Okay.
Minus 2.
So
Yes, sir.
you know how to compare and how to write the values of a, b, c. Now we are doing factorization. Now see here, 9 2 ja, 9 2 ja, 18. 9 2 ja, 18. And more factors also there for 18. But we will check first from 9 and 2. 9 plus 2 or 9 minus 2. If you will get this middle term, x term, it is over. See, 9 plus 2 is 11, but this is 7. So we are not getting by adding. 9 minus 2 is 7 we are getting. So we can write what? 9x square and 1 9x and 1 2x. But to get 7x, we have to write plus 7x, na? Plus 9x minus 2x. Plus 9x minus 2x. Then remaining part minus 2 equal to 0. Now from these two we can take common 1 9 and 1 x also. So taking 9x common, remaining one more x is there, plus 9x common, 1 is there. And from these two taking 2 common, minus 2 common, x is there, already minus common, 2 common, and minus common, 2 common, plus is there, 1 is there, is equal to 0. So we taken common terms. Now again from these two, x plus 1 is common. Taking x plus 1 common, remaining here 9x and here minus 2 is equal to 0. See, if you have this equation, this part, this step is in the form of, zero product rule. Zero product rule is in the form of zero product rule. See, a into b is equal to 0. Now by applying zero product rule, we can write, that only you have to write here, by applying zero product rule, we can write what? A equal to 0 or b equal to 0. A means this total term, kada? X plus 1 is equal to 0 or 9x minus 2 is equal to 0. Jibin, understand how we are getting this one?
Sir.
Understand or not? Tell me.
Understood, sir.
By using which formula?
Sir.
By using which rule we wrote this 2?
Zero product rules.
Zero product rule. Okay. Now we can write x is equal to what? Taking plus 1 that side minus 1. Or here 9x is equal to taking 2 that side will be plus 2. And x is equal to 9 taking that side that will be 2 by 9. Now the roots, the zeros, the factors of this equation is what? Minus 1 comma 2 by 9. Therefore, solution set is equal to 1 is minus 1 comma 1 is 2 by 9. 1 is 2 by 9. So this is by using factorization method. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Already I gave this question. Okay, this is in exercise 5b, second question. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I am erasing.
Okay, sir.
This already you have. That's why I am not giving this again. And this also you have. If you want to write this part, first method, factorization method. You can write that also. Copied, huh?
Yes, sir.
Can I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Method you have to copy, okay?
Yes.
Problem no need to copy. And second method is applying formula. Applying formula to find solution. What is the formula? Applying formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a formula. By applying this formula, we can find the factors, roots, zeros of the given quadratic equation. So, by applying this also, we can find the factors or roots or whatever it is. And here, I told you how we will find the root values also. Understand? Hello?
Hello, sir.
I told you how we will find root values also here.
Yes, sir.
Root 5, root 6, root 7, root 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19. How we can find the root values also I told you already, okay? Hello?
Hello,
Respond.
sir. Yes, sir.
Respond, Nana. So I am not giving again the process of finding root values. Just I will give how we will use this second method to find the factory roots of the quadratic equation. That is by using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus formula. Now I am taking one question. Which question we have to take? I am taking one example question. Why? Because in example already they given the root values of which one? We need that one. Okay. Now I'm taking here 2 by right. Okay, I will take this one. 3 by 4 x square. 3 by 4 x. No. Why? Because we have to find the root value for this. Root 5. Yeah. 2x square. 2x square plus root pi x minus 5 plus root pi x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is second time I am giving the question, understand? That's why no need to copy. Copy this one. Applying formula to find the factors, to find the roots.
Sir.
To find the roots of given quadratic equation. So now we will find the roots of this equation by using that formula. First we have to compare with general form. Why? Because here we require b value, a value, c value, a value, b value. From this equation to find ABC values, we have to compare with the standard form, general form, right? Now what is the general form? Tell me.
Sir, is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Tell me values of A, B, C. Continue చేస్తూనే ఉండు.
A is equals to 2, sir. B is equals to root 5. C is equals to minus 5.
Now, formula. Tell me.
Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Yeah, tell me values.
Root 5 square
Minus root 5.
plus or minus root 5 square.
Means
5 square. 5 minus 4 into 2 into minus 5 by 2a. 2 into 2, 4.
as it is. Tell me what is happening. 5.
5 minus
Huh? Minus into minus.
plus, sir.
This much you are. Then multiply the values. First you have to multiply signs, then multiply numbers. Why? Because these are in product. Yeah, tell me. 4
What?
to ja.
8, sir.
8 5 ja.
8, sir. 40, sir.
By
4, sir.
40 plus 5.
45, sir.
By
4, sir.
45. How we can write?
Sir?
45. Root over 45 is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus or minus root over 45. How we can write 45? As the multiple of one perfect square term. Do like this LCM. 45. 5. 9 ja. 3. 3 ja. 3. 1 ja. 5 into 9. We can write what? 5 into 9. 5 into 3 into 3. What? 5 into 9. Raskocha.
Yes, sir.
Why we are writing 5 into 9? Why we are not writing 5 3 ja 15 into 3? We can write 15 into 3 also. But root over 15 into 3 no use. But root over 5 into 9 there is a use. Why? Because we can write root 9 as 3. We can
Sir.
write root 9 as 3. But we can't write root 15 something, root 3 something. Na? That's why we can write a 5 9 ja. 5 9 ja. Tirupati Babu. So we can write that root 45 as what? Root over 9 5 ja. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So root law, when we are in root or value, we try to write into a perfect square. Okay. Now
Sir.
this root 9 is nothing but what?
Root 3 into 3.
Root 9 is what? I am asking root 9 is what? Not 9
3,
is
sir.
what?
3, sir.
Then you have to say like that. Into what?
5, sir.
Root 5. By what?
4.
4. Now we can take root 5 common, na?
Yes, sir.
Taking root 5 common here, minus 1 plus or minus 3 by 4. Now one root is what we can write. With plus 1 root, with minus 1 root we can write. I am writing with plus first. Root 5 into minus 1 plus 3 by 4. Or root 5 into minus 1 minus 3 by 4. Understand or not understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, with plus 1 root, with minus 1 root we are writing. Now 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Root 5 into 2 by 4. Or root 5 into minus 3 minus 1 what?
Minus 2, sir.
Minus 5
Minus
minus 1 minus 3 How
Minus
2?
2, sir.
-1, -3.
-2, sir.
How -2, man? -1, -3, -2.
-4, sir.
It's recording. Ah, -4 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 -1 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja is equal to √5 by 2, or this is equal to -1 into √5 minus √5. What about this? √5 by 2 is there. Now you have to know what is the value of √5. Here I am giving the value of √5, but in exam you have to find what is the value of √5. So your √5 value is 2.23. √5 value is 2.23. 2.23 by 2, or one more value is minus √5. Now cancel 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 0.1 ja, and 2 1 ja, 0.5. That is 1.111 is enough. So the values are 1.11 or minus √5. These are the roots. By using what we find the roots? By using
Formulas.
formula. Which formula?
X is equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a.
What is your name?
Jibin, sir.
Which class you are studying?
10th.
What is your favorite game?
Volleyball.
Volleyball. See, for these questions, how much fast you are giving solution? You should give more than fast for the formulas solution. Remember this. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now the very important one, third one. Third method to find the sorry. Those are the methods to find the roots. Now one more what that is not method to find the roots. That is finding the nature of roots. Finding the nature of roots. How the roots are. So here we have the nature. Here we have the nature of the roots are three ways. First one is real and distinct. Real and distinct. First one is real and distinct. Third type and the third topic in this quadratic equation, that is nature of roots. Nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here we have cases. The first case, the roots are, first case I am writing, listen, and this is very important, Jibin.
Yes, sir.
First case is, and the nature of the roots depending on the value discriminant delta. We have delta is equal to d is equal to root over b square minus 4ac. This is the value of delta or d. Depending on this value, not root, sorry, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Depending on this value, delta value, b square minus 4ac, we can say the nature of the roots. We can say the nature of the roots. So first one, if d greater than 0, if d greater than 0, greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever it is. There may be fractions, may not be fractions, whatever it is, but all are positive. If d greater than 0, then roots are real and different or distinct or unequal. different, unequal. Which word you can use, no problem, but the roots are different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 8, comma 10 p by 3, whatever it is, the roots are different and positive. That is the first case. And second case. And the second case is, Roman number 2 is, if d is equal to 0, d means this b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. When we can say real and equal? If delta equal to 0. If you find delta b square minus 4ac, if you get equal to 0, then we can say those roots are real and equal. Those roots are real and equal. That is what? If d equal to 0. And the third case, that is, if d less than 0, greater than completed, equal to completed, less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Imaginary. That means not real. That means not real. Imaginary means not real roots. Okay. If you
Sir,
get delta less than 0, that quadratic equation having no real roots, only having imaginary roots. Okay. These three are the condition, but we have in case 1 more 2 sub cases. That is case 1. What that case 1? See, if you will get the, suppose by solving that b square minus 4ac, sometimes you will get 9. This is the perfect square. 9. And sometimes you will not get a perfect square. 7, which is not a perfect square. Sometimes you will get a perfect square, sometimes you will not get a perfect square. Depending on that, we can write more 2 cases. That is case number 1, delta greater than 0 and delta greater than 0 and not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Delta greater than 0, not a perfect square. This is 3. See, 3 is positive, means delta greater than 0. And which is not a perfect square. This is not a perfect square. If you will get 4, delta greater than 0, perfect square. So here not perfect square we are discussing, right? So that is delta greater than 0, not a perfect square. Then the roots are unequal. Then roots are unequal, and irrational. Unequal and irrational, correct. This is very important. If delta greater than 0 and not a perfect square, then roots are unequal and irrational. Unequal and irrational. That is case 1. Again case 2. Same delta greater than 0 and the perfect square. Now in previous one we discussed about not a perfect square. Now perfect square. A perfect square. Perfect square like 4, 9, 25, 36, like that. If you will get a positive and perfect square, positive and a perfect square, then the roots are, then the roots are again we have case 1 and case 2. I am giving arrows. Again we have case 1 and case 2. And first case is rational and unequal. Rational and unequal. Rational and unequal. When we can say this is rational and unequal? If a comma b comma c are rational. if A comma B comma C are rational. Irrational, irrational and unequal, and unequal. When we can say if B is irrational, if B is irrational. So this is about a third case, third topic, last topic. Very, very important topic. This one. Okay, once again see delta greater than 0, real and distinct. Delta equal to 0, real and equal. Delta less than 0, imaginary. And in real, we have different types. Rational, irrational, we have like that. Perfect squares, not perfect square, like that we have. So depending on those numbers, we wrote more two cases, that is, we have more two cases, that is, delta greater than 0, perfect square, not a perfect square. Delta greater than 0, perfect square. If delta greater than 0, not a perfect square, then unequal and irrational. Unequal and irrational. Delta greater than 0, 3, and you will get like this, x square equal to 3. See, x square equal to 3 means you're taking that side, you will get root 3, which is irrational. Understand? So, if delta greater than 0 positive and not a perfect square, not a perfect square, then you will get what? Unequal and irrational. Did you understand these last two?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will give example for this. See, not a question, but to understand, see, listen. The root of x is what? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the roots for the question. Okay. Now, depending on this, we can say. So, last two completed. If delta less than 0 means here you will get negative. Then root over negative is imaginary, completed. If delta equal to 0, if this is equal to 0, then the remaining term, this only, b by 2a is only 1. That is equal root. Now, if delta greater than 0, suppose this is positive, means positive. Delta greater than 0 means positive. There exist cases. Positive means 3 is positive, 4 is positive. I am taking only two numbers. 3 is positive, 4 is positive. First I will take 3 and explain. I will take 4 and explain. See, first of all, delta greater than 0, not a perfect square. I am taking 3. If you find the b square minus 4ac value, suppose if you will get, we will write like this, b square minus 4ac value, if you will get sometimes 3, maybe 4, 5, like that, you will get some different values. Okay, this is the value of delta. Suppose case 1 and case 2 I am taking. Case 1 and case 2. For case 1, what is that case 1? Delta greater than 0. Okay, positive, greater than 0. And what? Not a perfect square. Yeah, not a perfect square. We got the value of what? B square minus 4ac value. We got 3, which is not a perfect square and positive. Now, you have to write in place of this what? 3. Then you will get what? Minus b plus or minus root 3 by 2a. Okay. Some b value is there, a value also there. Just assume that. Now, can we write this root 3 value as the integer? We can't write. Can we write root 3 as integer?
No, sir.
No, we can't write. Root 3 is root 3 only. If you write root 3, you will get in terms of decimals, which is irrational. Okay. So, not a perfect square. If you will get not a perfect square, then the roots are unequal. Roots are different. But what? Irrational. See, root is there. Irrational. Understand now?
Yes, sir.
If you will get perfect square, suppose if you will get 4, then you have to write in place of b square minus 4ac, what you have to write? 4 you have to write. Now I am writing 4, see. So root 4. What is root 4 value? 2. Is there square root symbol?
No, sir.
Eliminated. Are you getting any point?
No, sir.
No. So again, we have more two cases. That what? Suppose A, B, C are rational. A equal to 1, B equal to 3, C equal to 5, like this. If you have in the equation, then you will get what? Rational and unequal. Rational and unequal. Suppose if you will get B is irrational like this. A okay, C okay. If you will get B is irrational, then what? The roots are irrational and unequal. The roots are irrational and unequal. You will get. So this is about nature of roots. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So remember, my boy, if you will not read twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times until to get perfect, it is very, very difficult for you. Remember. Understand what I am saying? Not only for you, for all.